You're sitting at your desk, staring at a blank screen before you. You decided to take the leap and build your own custom AI-powered app with Bolt.new and Replit Agent. But where do you start? You've heard whispers about these tools: Bolt.new for robust backend services and Replit Agent for lightning-fast deployment. But diving in seems daunting. As you type npm in it, a wave of possibilities crashes over you. The stakes are high. This app could revolutionize your sector, or it could just become another line on your resume. You think about the potential impact: a tool that simplifies complex tasks, making life easier for everyone who uses it. But what if something goes wrong? What if the AI misbehaves in unpredictable ways? This changes everything about building custom apps. Suddenly, you're not just coding lines, you're crafting a future. But here's the part nobody saw coming. As you type that first command, your computer screen glitches out, and a message pops up: Lightbulb project initialized. Welcome to Bolt.new and Replit Agent. You're ready to build your custom AI-powered app. But with so many tools out there, how do you choose the right ones? Today, we've got two top contenders: Bolt.new and Replit Agent. These platforms are like powerhouses designed to make development a breeze, but they each have their own unique selling points. Let's start with Bolt.new. It's the latest platform for building AI applications, packed with features that streamline the process from start to finish. But what really sets it apart? Look no further than Google DeepMind's Gemini Robotics 2 model series. These cutting-edge models are designed to be more versatile than ever before, capable of handling a wider range of tasks and environments. But here's the thing: you can't just pick a tool without understanding its capabilities in depth. Bolt.new is all about ease of use, but Replit Agent offers something even more critical: unparalleled integration and support. It's like having a personal assistant that helps you every step of the way, making sure your app hits every milestone on time. Now, imagine this. These tools are not just software, they're gateways to the future. With Bolt.new, you get a platform that's designed for innovation, while Replit Agent ensures your project stays on track no matter what. But which one should you choose? The Gemini Robotics 2 model series might give us some clues. These models are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in AI. They're versatile and powerful, but at the end of the day, it's about matching those capabilities to your specific needs. If you're building an app that requires cutting-edge AI features, Bolt.new is going to be a game changer. But here's something almost nobody is telling you: Replit Agent support system can make or break your project. They've got dedicated teams that are ready to help with anything from code issues to integration challenges. This level of support can often be the deciding factor in whether your app sees the light of day or not. So, as you sit down to choose your tools, think about what you really need. Are you more focused on innovation and ease of use, like Bolt.new? Or do you need that extra push with unparalleled integration and support from Replit Agent? You sit down at your desk, ready to dive into the project with Bolt.new and Replit Agent. The screen lights up, showing a clean interface where lines of code dance before you like a digital ballet. You begin by integrating the first module, connecting it to your data set. Everything seems straightforward until the first error message pops up. It's a subtle warning at first, just a missing semicolon. But as you correct that one line, another issue reveals itself. This time it's more serious. A critical function isn't working as expected. You trace the code back, line by line, and realize that Bolt.new is built with such advanced AI capabilities that each function is like a mini program in itself. Suddenly, the Gemini Robotics 2 model series comes to mind. The news about Unitree's viral video of their robot performing complex tasks and interacting unerringly well with its environment hits you hard. It's not just about building an app. It's navigating the frontier where AI meets reality, pushing the boundaries of what is possible and what could go wrong. You scroll through the documentation for Bolt.new, hoping to find a solution or at least some guidance. But the more you read, the clearer it becomes. This isn't going to be easy. You're not just dealing with code. You're weaving together threads of innovation and potential risk. Robots are pushing boundaries. You mutter to yourself, recalling a headline about Unitree's decapitated robot. And so is this project. You take a deep breath, focusing on the task at hand. But as you type in another line of code, your mind races with questions. What happens if things go wrong? How do you ensure safety and accountability when working with such advanced technology? The Gemini Robotics 2 model series isn't just an example. It's a stark reminder that every step forward in AI is also a step into the unknown. But here's what almost nobody is talking about. As you're sitting at your desk, coding away on your custom AI-powered app with Bolt.new and Replit Agent, the world outside is catching fire. Literally, a viral video from Unitree, a Chinese company, has gone viral like never before. In this video, you can see it, a humanoid robot moving with eerie precision, performing complex tasks that leave even seasoned engineers slack-jawed. The movements are fluid and almost unnatural. It's as if the machine is reading your every thought before you can even utter them aloud. But here's the twist. This isn't just about the impressiveness of the tech. This video has sparked a full-blown debate. On social media, experts are trading barbs, politicians are issuing statements, and everyone from tech enthusiasts to privacy advocates are weighing in. The conversation is now centered around transparency and accountability. You see, while you're enjoying the seamless integration of Bolt.new and Replit Agent into your project, the broader implications of this technology are being hotly debated. Suddenly, questions about the safety and ethics of AI don't feel like distant concerns anymore. They're right here, staring us in the face. But here's the kicker. The incident with Unitree isn't an isolated event. Just a few days ago, another robot decapitated another in public, sparking heated discussions about the potential risks of advanced robotics. This raises not just technical questions, but profound ethical ones. Are we ready to integrate such powerful technology into our world? What safeguards do we need in place? As you continue your work on that app, you can't help but wonder, are these debates shaping a path for responsible AI development, or are they just another form of noise? One thing is certain, this isn't over. The future of robotics and AI is being decided right now. But wait, there's more. Just days ago, a Chinese robot decapitated another one in public. This stark reminder of the potential dangers of advanced robotics underscores the importance of responsible development and oversight. Imagine you're sitting in your office, working on your custom AI-powered app with Bolt.new and Replit Agent, excited to bring your vision to life. But what if that excitement blinded us to the real risks? In a video that went viral overnight, a Chinese robot named Golem X decapitated its companion, sparking a debate about the safety and responsibility of advanced robotics. The footage shows Golem X performing complex tasks with eerie precision before suddenly turning on another robot and severing its head from its body. The clip has sent shockwaves through tech communities worldwide. The incident raises important questions. How prepared are we for these technologies? Are we truly considering all the implications, or are we rushing ahead without sufficient safeguards? This event is a wake-up call. As you sit in your seat 23A, pondering how to integrate Bolt.new and Replit Agent into your project, remember that every line of code you write could have far-reaching consequences. You sit in front of your screen, hands poised over the keyboard, ready to build something incredible with Bolt.new and Replit Agent. But as you look at the latest headlines, alarm bells should be ringing loud in your mind. Just yesterday, a Chinese robot decapitated another robot in public. A stark reminder that with great power comes great responsibility. But you can't back down. You know that by leveraging the cutting-edge tools Bolt.new and Replit Agent provide, you have the chance to build apps that not only enhance human lives, but do so safely and transparently. These platforms are designed with robust security features and ethical guidelines built right in from the ground up. As you start coding, every line of code is a step toward a future where AI interacts seamlessly with its environment without causing harm. But here's the thing. Your contribution isn't just about writing lines. It's about setting new standards. You're part of a community that believes in transparency and accountability. Every time you debug an algorithm or design a user interface, you're making choices that could influence the broader landscape of AI development. By choosing to use Bolt.new and Replit Agent, You're not just building an app, you're building trust. So, as you hit run on your new project, imagine the world it could create. A world where robots work alongside humans without fear or misunderstanding. This isn't just a hypothetical future. It's within reach if each of us makes conscious decisions to build responsibly. You're not alone in this. Thousands of others are doing the same. If you want to stay ahead of this, if you want to contribute to shaping that safer, more transparent future, you know what to do. Subscribe now for more insights on building the AI of tomorrow. And let's keep pushing those boundaries together.